Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how you can make money with Wattpad. So guys, let's get started. First step guys, this is a program, Wattpad program and opportunities. You can read this all the programs and opportunities. So guys, the first set conditions you must be have followers. So guys, if you go to profile, and in my case I don't have any followers because this is new account, you should be have almost 1000 members to you eligible to make money with this platform. And you should be create high quality reading or high quality stories guys, and the features of stories. If you go to new stories, you should be make high quality stories and high tags and high language, choose English or any language. And copyright, you must be all your stories you have, if don't have any copyright and claims. And this is and we have a high quality stories. If you want to check guidelines, click this one, Wattpad guidelines, and just wait to choose to write this policy and guidelines. And it's important: respect follows and the propriety personal information, and this is of course, and you should respect all condition and term and copyrights and writing your story. And so guys, the first step, you joined when you are eligible, click join Wattpad, and you can start earning through this story. Just click story and you will get paid from your story. And you have this book option, you can earn money through ebook. You can start by by make ebook. So guys, as you can see here, this ebook have 2 millions, almost 2 millions, and 57,000 of thought. So guys, this ebook make a money already, and you should be create content like this, and you can start earn money through these books. As you can see here, this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And you have this library option, you have archive listing, and when you make a ebook, you see now all this from here features. So guys, this is how you can do. You can create new reading listing, and you can start create list from here, and you can start earning money through your story. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.